Reselling can be a lucrative venture with the right approach. Here's a simplified guide on how to resell anything and make a profit. 1. Research and identify a niche. Focus on a niche or category that aligns with your interests and knowledge. Research market trends and demand to identify profitable products. 2. Source quality products. Look for products at discounted prices, whether through wholesale, clearance sales, thrift stores, or online platforms. Ensure the products are of good quality to build customer trust. 3. Pricing strategy. Set competitive yet profitable prices. Consider your costs, market prices, and perceived value. Factor in shipping costs and fees associated with the platform you're using. 4. Choose the right platform. Select an online platform that suits your target market. Options include eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or specialized niche platforms. Leverage social media to reach potential customers. 5. Effective marketing. Create compelling product listings with clear descriptions and high-quality images. Use social media to showcase your products, share customer reviews, and engage with your audience. 6. Customer service excellence. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and gain repeat business. Address customer inquiries promptly and handle any issues professionally. 7. Optimize your operations. Streamline your processes for efficient order fulfillment and shipping. Consider automation tools for managing inventory and tracking sales. 8. Adapt and learn. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your product selection accordingly. Continuously analyze your performance and seek ways to improve. 9. Build a brand identity. Develop a brand identity that sets you apart. This could include a unique store name, logo, and consistent branding across platforms. 10. Networking and collaboration. Network with other resellers and potential collaborators. Explore partnerships or joint ventures for mutual benefit. Remember, success in reselling often comes with persistence, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. Continuously evaluate and refine your strategy based on market changes and customer feedback.